Joe, very good to hear you. Thank you very much indeed. You are all the time together with me with the most important moment of the history of my country. You are like my guardian angel.
The other thing I wanted to mention to you is that when last we spoke, you asked if I could find a Ukrainian-American prosecutor in our Justice Department to come over and help your new prosecutor general. I know you know we identified such a person. He'll be there by mid-July, and I hope that portends that you're going to be able to continue to do what you've been doing and cleaning up that office and continue to reform it. The new prosecutor general so far, his team we're impressed. They looking forward to continuing to work that intensive dialogue here with you guys. So it sounds like things are on track. Are they?
Absolutely. I think. Look, in this very difficult condition, I can say that I am fully satisfied with his first steps. He returned the trust to the General Prosecutor Office. As far as I understand, he will demonstrate the first appointment of the deputy prosecutors, several, and nobody would be from inside the General Prosecutor Office. Everybody would be very famous